Some people say that you don't need thermals for an Alaska cruise, and most of the time that's true. But if you're doing whale watching, glacier walking, fishing, or going during the shoulder season, this one layer can be the difference between magical and miserable. This is part 3 of my Alaska cruise packing series, the inner layer, also known as the base layer. Part 1 was outer layers, part 2 was mid layers, and this is the final layer. Do you actually need thermals? For most summer Alaska cruises, late June, July, or early August, thermals are optional. You'll be fine with a mid layer and a waterproof outer layer most of the time. But thermals are a game changer for whale watching, glacier walks, glacier viewing, fishing excursions, and the colder months of the Alaska cruise season. What I brought. I brought one wool thermal set, top and bottom. It packs small and naturally adjusts to your temperature. I enjoyed wearing it during whale watching. Another thermal option. Another option are these thermals another YouTuber recommended because the top looks more like a normal long sleeve shirt. This is perfect if you want something you can wear on its own when it warms up and then layer when it cools down. And it would look great under a puffer vest. If you missed part 1 or part 2 of this packing series, I've linked them below. Feel free to leave any questions about Alaska packing. I'll answer each one. My full video to my ultimate packing guide with all the essentials you'll need for your Alaska cruise is linked below. Subscribe for more Alaska cruise planning videos. Happy Alaskan travels!